Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the mobile data saver on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So what we need to do is go to the settings. Now we're gonna scroll down and go to apps, then choose system apps settings, go to security, and then choose data usage. Now over here we have data usage. We can turn on and off the base of the mobile data saver. However, after that, we need to go to data plan, and then we have the monthly data limit, which can be checked automatically, or we can choose the data limit by ourselves. So I can choose, for instance, 2 gigabytes. Of course, you can tap in order to switch to megabytes as well. Press OK in order to use the data saver. Then you can also choose when data plan is used up, what should happen. So we can warn and turn off mobile data, or we can just show the warning. And that's pretty much it. In addition to that, we also have the data usage warning level. So we can choose when we want to receive the warning level that we are close to using the monthly data limit. So we can move this slider up to 100% so that only when we actually reach the data limit we get the warning, the message. Or we can use it earlier up to 60% so that when we use 60% of our data limit we get information about this. And that's pretty much it. Let's press OK. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.